Hello guys, you appeared GATE 2023 as well as ESC 2023 examinations and you felt GATE 2023 is really tough, especially afternoon session students, and students are shouting like, sir, we have studied a lot, we solved so many PYQs, but still our exam is tough. Is writing GATE exam is worthy? Is solving PYQs for GATE and ESC is worthy? और दूसरा मौका देने का कोशिश करेगा नहीं करेगा? So GATE 2023 thrown you lot of questions. Yes or no? बताओ. So आपका दिमाग में बहुत ज्यादा क्वेश्चंस ढूंढ रहे. Whether writing GATE examination using PYQs, especially while preparing for GATE, PYQs are really worth solving. ये सोच रहे ना हम. So I have analyzed paper 1 and paper 2 subject wise with my expert friends, fellow faculty of Unacademy, with their respective subjects. I have analyzed my subjects and then हर एक सब्जेक्ट में हाउ मेनी मार्क्स टोटल के, हाउ मेनी मार्क्स फ्रॉम प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन बुक. सो बाय टेकिंग 25 years of GATE previous year questions, I analyzed GATE 2023 paper with the help of my fellow educators in Unacademy. So now whether PYQs are really worth solving for GATE examination, we can analyze using GATE 23 paper with last 25 to 30 years of GATE questions. Okay guys? So if you are worrying about this while solving GATE PYQs is really required or not, if you are really wondering about it, stay tuned till the end of the video. You can understand whether PYQs are required or not required. So before going to start the session, do like the video. And like this, what kind of videos you need more, do comment in the comment box. What you feel also you comment in the comment box. So before starting the session, now Unacademy में up to 50% off चल रहा है. So maximum you can get 30% off on your subscription, and also you can get additional months benefit. You take 12 months subscription, 2 months additional benefit, and you are getting 30% off. You know our universal code KPCV. So now let us come into the analysis. So very clearly as I told you, subject wise list बना दिया. Forenoon session, afternoon session, सब्जेक्ट वाइज हाउ मेनी मार्क्स. जियो टेक्निकल से मॉर्निंग सेशन में 16 मार्क्स आ गया. वेरी क्लियरली क्वेश्चन बाय क्वेश्चन आई हैव टेस्टेड. 10 क्वेश्चंस आर फ्रॉम 10 मार्क्स. 16 मार्क्स यू गॉट, 16 मार्क्स यू गॉट जियो टेक्निकल से. एंड क्वेश्चन टू क्वेश्चन आई हैव एनालाइज्ड. 10 मार्क्स आर from previous year question book. Very clearly, it is very clear. Out of 16, 10 marks you are getting. Afternoon session में 15 marks आ रहा है आपको. ये 15 में 11 marks are from previous year question book. Model, I am saying the model is the same. Maybe values are varying. They won't give same values. But by solving previous year questions from geotechnical engineering, out of 16 in morning you can get 10 marks, out of 15 in afternoon you can get 11 marks. But questions are lengthy. Previous year question में भी हम lengthy questions करा दिया ना. We solved in our class, we solved in our question solving sessions very lengthy questions in geotech. Always geotechnical engineering 2 marks questions are lengthy, but worth solving PYQ because you are getting this many marks. So coming to students hope a lot on this subject. But this subject is disappointed in 2023 GATE. Environmental engineering, मॉर्निंग सेशन में 11 मार्क्स आ गया, सिर्फ 2 मार्क फ्रॉम पीवाईक्यू बुक. दिस इज ए कंप्लीटली डिजास्टर फॉर अस. 11 मार्क्स में सिर्फ 2 मार्क. आफ्टरनून सेशन में 12 मार्क्स आ गया, 6 मार्क फ्रॉम पीवाईक्यूज. अरे 6 मार्क्स आ गया रे बाबा, यू आर वरीइंग, यू आर थिंकिंग अबाउट द एमएसक्यूज. बट द क्वेश्चंस ऑफ सॉलिड वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट 2 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन, टोटल एनर्जी डिस्कार्डेड ऑन ड्राई बेसिस 2 marks, that is already there in the previous year question book. Afternoon session students, I am reminding you clearly, solid waste management से 2 marks, total energy dry waste, total energy on dry basis previous year में ये दिया already. और दूसरा क्वेश्चन, second question from activated sludge process, food to microorganism ratio से वॉल्यूम निकलने वाला, वॉल्यूम ऑफ एरेशन चैम्बर Q इंटू वाई अपॉन एफ बाई एम इंटू एक्सआई, वहां से आएगा. वॉल्यूम ऑफ एरेशन चैम्बर वहां से आएगा ना हमको. दैट इज ऑल्सो फ्रॉम योर प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन बुक. 2 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन, 4 मार्क्स हो गया उधर. और 1 मार्क क्वेश्चन डायरेक्ट स्ट्राइट अवे फ्रॉम प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन. टोटल 12 मार्क्स में 6 marks you are getting from PYQ, but 6 half 50% new. but morning session को ये धोखा दिया. देखो 11 में सिर्फ 2 मार्क्स आ रहे मॉर्निंग सेशन में. so this is toughest situation ना मॉर्निंग सेशन स्टूडेंट्स के लिए. so that is very disaster for morning session students, and this is never ever happened. First time happened in the history of GATE examination. So this is not in our hand, that is from IIT, we can't do anything related to it. Then coming to transportation, 6 marks में 3 marks, 7 marks में 4 marks, which is verified by Unacademy educators who taught transportation very clearly. They have verified it. 50% nearly for PYQ book for transportation. Models, again I am saying same model, values changing, that's it. Strength of material में 7 marks से 3, afternoon session 6 marks में 3, again nearly 50% from previous year question book. ये देखो FM and open channel flow 7 में 3 morning session, 7 में 3 morning session, 1 from open channel flow, 1 mark from open channel flow, 2 marks from OCF, 2 marks from fluid mechanics. Pressure measurement diagram, we have done that. Statics, fluid statics, pressure measurement diagram, 2 marks, easy. 1 mark from open channel flow, easy from PYQ. 7 out of total 7 marks, 3 marks from previous year. Again afternoon also 7 marks में 3 marks from FM and OCF. Then hydrology and irrigation 7 marks में 4 marks, 4 marks from previous year question hydrology and irrigation. Afternoon hydrology and irrigation 8 marks आ गया इनमें, 5 marks from previous year question. So if you want, do one thing. Download your response sheet question paper, put your PYQ book beside, check topic by topic, because we have done that. Because we have done subject expert of specific subject, specific concept, we analyzed topic by topic. We have checked whether the question is given, the model is given, the model I am saying, the model is given in the previous year question or not. So we have verified it. We have identified, because if you take hydrology 4 marks here, irrigation 2 discharges given, data given, from that data you can find out the discharge duty. First of all you are finding out, then from area and duty you can find out 2 discharges, maximum discharge you can take, that is 2 2-mark question, 1 2-mark question. And hydrology say 1 question, you know that 1 question from infiltration 2 marks हो जाएगा ना. Then coming to structural analysis, एनालिसिस लेने के बाद अगेन मॉर्निंग सेशन में 7 में 3 मार्क्स फ्रॉम पीवाईक्यू, 5 में 2 मार्क्स, दिस इज रिड्यूस्ड. आफ्टरनून सेशन में 5 आउट ऑफ 5 मार्क्स यू हैव जस्ट 2 मार्क्स फ्रॉम पीवाईक्यू. सर्वेइंग 50%, 4 मार्क्स में 2 मार्क्स, 4 मार्क्स में 2 मार्क्स. आफ्टरनून आल्सो सेम 50% मार्क्स हर एक सब्जेक्ट में ऐसा हो गया. ओनली प्रॉब्लम विथ एनवायरमेंटल इंजीनियरिंग, रिमाइनिंग सब्जेक्ट्स देखो, आरसीसी 4 में 2, 5 में 3. सो स्टील, ईएम, बीएम, इंजीनियरिंग मैकेनिक्स, बिल्डिंग मटेरियल, स्टील, सो दिस इज समवॉट टफ हो गया. 3 में 1 मार्क. न्यू क्वेश्चंस, न्यू क्वेश्चन आ गया, न्यू मार्क्स. सो नाउ मैथ एंड एप्टी. सो आई डिस्कस्ड विथ बीवी रेड्डी सर regarding mathematics. He only the mathematics expert, and also with Uma Maheshwara sir. They told me that morning session में 13 marks में 8 marks previous year gate question solve करने के बाद हो जाएगा. Same afternoon session में also. So more than 50% questions of mathematics. We are saying one decomposition equation, Cholomsky decomposition equation. But what about remaining marks? 13 में 8 हो जाएगा, 5 marks only new models, 8 marks old models from the previous year question books. Aptitude 15 में 7, 15 में 7 हो गया. So after counting all this, we came to know. So very, very big surprise to you guys. Those who are shouting solving PYQs is needed and not needed, preparing for GATE is needed and not needed. This is an eye opener for every student who is worrying a lot regarding GATE. Who is saying, अरे बाबा GATE tough हो गया, अरे PYQs में कुछ भी नहीं आ रहे बाबा. So why we have to prepare for GATE? No old models, all are new models. ऐसा बोलने के बाद क्या आ रहे देखो एक बार देखो, दिस इज अ ट्रू जेन्युइन एनालिसिस. आपको चाहिए तो प्रूवन एनालिसिस. वी हैव एनालाइज्ड क्वेश्चन बाय क्वेश्चन, 2 papers, 65 questions from paper 1, 65 questions from paper 2, put aside along with previous year question book. Our faculty worked 1.5 day to analyze each and every question, whether it is related to PYQ or not. After that, lot of research, we got this. मॉर्निंग सेशन पेपर में देखो एक बार, हाउ मेनी मार्क्स आर कमिंग. मॉर्निंग सेशन पेपर में हाउ मेनी मार्क्स आर कमिंग रे बाबा बताओ. 52 मार्क्स फ्रॉम PYQs if you finish the total syllabus. Once if you finish all 100% syllabus, I am saying. Morning session paper में if you finish the previous year question book, all subjects completed, 52 मॉर्निंग सेशन में, 55 आफ्टरनून सेशन में. यू डिसाइड. आई एम नॉट सेइंग वेदर सॉल्विंग प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस इज वर्थी और नॉट, वेदर गेट 2023 आपको धोखा दिया, टफ पेपर दिया, नहीं दिया, आप डिसाइड करो. सो आवर फैकल्टी फ्रेंड्स एंड माई सेल्फ ओपन द गेट forenoon and afternoon paper PDF, put the previous year questions book with us, check last 25 years of GATE questions, previous year questions, what students are solving those questions with us, verified question by question, question 1, question 2, question 3, like that. So from that we find out very clearly, this is the information. So whether solving PYQs is worthy or not, you decide. I am not saying anything. समझ आ रहा है आपको? Whether GATE 2023 टफ हो गया नहीं हो गया, based on this you decide. Yes, I agree. Some questions are not up to the GATE model. It is very tougher. Yes, I do agree, but not 100%. and also some questions, MSQ, especially MSQ. So that solving is also very difficult. Yes, I do agree. But what about this 50% marks? You question yourself. समझ आ रहे? 52 marks in morning session, 55 marks in afternoon session. ये कहां चले गए? नया वाला, MSQ वाला, टफ वाला, whatever, ये छोड़ दो. छोड़ने के बाद हमारा PYQ बुक से, ओल्ड मॉडल से 52 मार्क्स इन मॉर्निंग, 55 मार्क्स इन आफ्टरनून, ये कहां चले गए? आप ढूंढ लो, आपको क्वेश्चन करो. डोंट से टू मी, क्वेश्चन योरसेल्फ जेन्युइनली एंड हॉनेस्टली. देन थिंक इन फ्यूचर, इफ यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर गेट एंड ESE, whether it is worthy to solve PYQs or not. Very, very important. More than 50% marks are from PYQ books only. So guys, if you are geared up for 2024 and 2025 GATE preparation, the first work by the student to be done, first of all, take PYQ book, previous year question book purchase kar lo baba, then start your preparation. That is very worthy doing. More than 50% marks are coming from PYQ books. Please understand that. So आपको और सिर्फ कोई डाउट होगा, anything you want to talk with me. So this is our Telegram channel, KP SAR Students. I am always with you guys. Anytime I am ready to help you. This is our Telegram channel, KP SAR Students. I am always with you. So, Unacademy with its top educators brought you two modes of subscription. One is online, you know it, Plus and Iconic subscriptions are there. Second one is offline classroom program, which is coming from March 15. We are launching our classroom program from March 15 with the best educators in India. And the course is going to start from March 15 at Delhi. So you know offline program starting at Delhi. So enroll yourself if you are preparing for 2024 or 2025. Enroll yourself for our GATE and ESE course, either online program or offline program. Same educators are there and they are with you till you reach your goal. And आपका मालूम था हमारा यूनिवर्सल कोड KPCV. Okay guys, let's crack it.